Okay.
Yes.
Decrease, increase. Okay.
Wow. You are learning very fast. Awesome. Now, how to apply the format painter? Can you do this now?
How to show the formula?
Format painter.
You want me to show it?
I want to apply the format painter. Format painter.
Oh, okay, okay. So that would be here. So,
Apply. Yes, very good.
and then,
Very good, very good. You got 10 out of 10 marks in the first quiz.
okay.
Now replace the percentage with share. Replace the percentage with share.
Share.
You can see in the cell B4, this is the written percentage. Replace it with share.
Okay. Oh, you want me to do it like? Hold on. Control H.
Control H. Yes, very good.
Replace all.
Replace all. Very good, very good. Awesome. Now highlight all the cells that contain formulas.
Okay, that contain a formula. So that would be control 1. No, you would do control A, control 1, or no, it'd be F5. F5, right?
Yes.
Okay. Special formulas. And press OK.
Very good.
All right.
Very good. Create a new worksheet. Rename with your name and apply the red color. No, now my question is create a new worksheet. New worksheet. This is not a new worksheet. This is a new worksheet.
Create a new worksheet. Okay. Ah.
Press escape.
Or escape.
Yes. Now create a new worksheet. Rename it with your name and give the color. Your favorite color. Which is one is favorite color? Any color do you like?
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Now, Regan, can you share your screen and do the same thing like this Nicole did?
Yes, I could try.
Because this is very important. This is the initial phase. You need more practice, and because whenever we jump into the advanced functions, it will be difficult for you to grasp it.
Okay.
Share your screen. Let me make you the presenter. Very good, Nicole. You got 10 out of 10 marks. Nicole, are you there?
Hello? Yes.
I'm saying very good. You got 10 out of 10 marks in first quiz.
Okay, cool.
Hold on, real quick.
We are waiting for you, Nicole. Oh, sorry, Dragon.
can I, hold on, can I come back real quick? It's telling me I have to restart it real quick.
No issue. You can do that. Nicole, you can share your screen again. Let's do some more practice.
Okay. Let's see. Okay.
That
Do
should
you
be
see my
good.
Oh, okay.
Regan has come back. Please share your
Yes.
screen.
Hey, roommate.
We are waiting for you. Egan, are you there? Nicole, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I guess Regan is not there.
It might be
Let's
his
wait for-
computer, honestly.
No issue. We can wait for him. Wait for him. He's trying to connect.
Can you try to give me access one more time? See if this works.
Accessing the another system. Done.
Dope. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
I don't see it.
What the oof? Hold on.
Now we can see your screen.
Oh yay.
We are
Fun.
using Mac.
I
Okay.
am using
The shortcut in MacBooks are slightly different from Windows. I hope
Yeah.
you understand it.
I was trying to follow along when she was doing it, so that's why I had these numbers up already.
Okay.
But basically, if you want, you could do like control down, or what is it, command down? Yeah, command down for me, and then command up. Oops. Yeah, so it's command. But well, command up. Yeah, so it's command for me. So command down, I could go all the way to the side. So if you wanted to, let's just delete all that. So we could do Jan, go down, and then we could put down. So we do sum max min. So if I wanted to get the sum of everything, I would hit equal sum tab, and then enter. And I've got the sum right here. if I wanted to get the max, I'd hit equal max. Oops, forgot the tab. Equal max tab. Enter. And then if I wanted the min, equal min tab. Enter. And then if I wanted to do percentages, I would yeah. Where is it from? So I would do equal, what is that? B3 divided by B9 and hit enter. I'm already in percentage. And then if I wanted to do this, I think for me it's Command F4 or Option.
Try simple F4. Try simple F4.
Oops. Oh. Yeah, and then I could then oops, yeah.
Very good.
Yep, and then that's how you get all of that. And then if I wanted to make a new sheet, I could go over here. I could rename it. Tab color. For that, I could go back. If I wanted to do this, so I could do, let me see if this works. Is it Option A? Yeah, Option A. Let me get my book real quick with all my notes.
Go to F5. Select all cells that contain formulas.
Wrong one. Oh, hold on.
No issue, no issue. You both are moving awesome because you people are getting the concepts very easily.
Okay. So, is it Command A for me then? No. Oh yeah. So, Command A. And then Command 1. Nope, I just did that. I don't know why I just tried. Hold on. Boom.
No issue, no issue. By using Shift, or you can select the cells.
So Shift A. No. Command A.
You can, yes, do this from mouse as well.
And F1 then? No. Control 1.
F5, F5.
F5.
And might be it would come in your laptop through F and F5.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen.
Press escape. Press escape.
Press skip. Where's that at?
The point is, you are getting concept what we want to try. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, you got it.
I understand
F5.
it.
Okay, I can understand that. You are just being familiar with the tools, but you know the concept that how you can apply this.
Yeah, my other laptop, I have a Windows laptop, but it's slow right now, so I'm using my Mac so I could get good internet. But
Okay,
I
one
understand the concept.
Sorry, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Nicole, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Yes,
okay,
hello.
that's it. Okay. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Don't worry. I can hear you. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second.